Hello humans, Hugo is here, and today I'll show you how I tween in Adobe Animate. Let you know the version of Adobe Animate from 2019 here. I think it's something like tutorial. Well, I think it will help you. And sorry for gacha, I have no time to draw sprites, but I have time to do videos. Anyway, let's begin.